You're looking at a 2014 Lexus ES300h hybrid with 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 100,000 miles. This car comes loaded up, gets over 40 miles per gallon. Comes with ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, Lexus's full safety system, HID lights, fog lights. Blind spot monitors, heated and ventilated seats, leather seats, full power options, moonroof, wood grain interior, heated steering wheel, dual zone climate controlled air conditioning, radio, backup camera, premium sound, home link, moonroof, Bluetooth. Exact mileage is 100,195. Blind spot monitors, park assist, 3 memory seats. Exterior color is black, interior color is black as well. Floor mats are right here. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301.